Welcome to this Windows and computer channel, and of course, as we continue this week of videos, we are now March 25th. This is the last week of March, and I've been having a lot of questions over the weekend of, are we at the April 2018 update on the insider side? What is happening is we aren't sure because there's no clear indication, but it looks like it. 18362 is on the slow ring and the fast ring. It needs to be pushed to the release preview, but the fact that both insider builds are at the same number right now kind of tells us that 18362 is probably the official April 2019 update. So what's going to happen this week? I will probably have the official review of the April 2019 update coming up, showing you guys all the new features, and of course I will be installing it on this machine. This is the main computer that I use, and so that means that this computer is going to be updated to this latest version of Windows 10. It also means that we are going to basically have this rolling out soon in April. Once again, a lot of people are asking when's the date. No official date by Microsoft right now, but we pretty much think that it might coincide with the Patch Tuesday of April 2019, or somewhere in April. Anyways, they've got 30 days of April to release this thing. The builds themselves, I got a lot of questions. People asking, is it stable? Does it work well? I'm afraid to update because of the October 2018 update problems that I had. Look, it looks pretty good, and it looks very stable. I don't see a lot of people having issues with it on the insider sides of things. There's still a couple of bugs that might prevent some people from getting it, especially the in-tight cheat bug for some of the games. If you have some of those games, if you try to launch one of them that has in-tight cheat software, it actually will blue screen your Windows 10 April 2019 update right now. And they're checking out why it's doing it, and they will be fixing it. Some of you have been asking, are there, when they release it, is there going to be some updates or some, fixes? Well, here's the thing. When you update to the latest version of Windows 10, well, yes, there's a cumulative update that goes with it. So that means that you will have an update that will fix some of the bugs. It pretty much always works like that. You get the April 2019 update, and once it's installed, it will install a cumulative update at the same time and fix some more bugs that they've seen. This is also why we're thinking about 18362 being the official build for April 2019 update. It's that what's left of the problems, you don't necessarily need to create a new build for the fix. You actually can fix it with a cumulative update, and that's why some of these problems might simply go away with a cumulative update as soon as the launch happens. Once again, I get a lot of people saying, are we going to have it the first day? It's going to roll out in waves, and it will of course mean that some of you will see it on day one. Some will only see it in a few months from now. So this is something that we'll be checking out how fast it's going to roll out. It's probably going to roll out faster than the October 2018 update, because if all goes well and there's no major bugs, that actually means it's also going to roll out quite fast. A lot of you have been asking, where are we at the rollout of the October 2018 update? We're going to have these numbers this week. Usually this is 26th, 27th, 28th of the month, around there. We usually have net market share that will actually share its numbers for Windows 10 rollout. So it's going to be interesting to see. We had 21 some percent in the last numbers. That's going to be interesting to see where are we right now as we are a month later. For sure, the rollout of the October 2018 update must have been going much faster now this month. I know that a lot of you have left comments saying, yeah, I've got it. I got it a week ago or got it 2 weeks ago. That means that the more I see people telling me they got it, the more it means that it's rolling out faster and faster. But still, I wouldn't be surprised if they've reached 50%. We'll see. But I think there's still a lot of you guys out there still on the April 2018 update. And once again, a lot of you have been asking, well, if I jump from April 2018 to April 2019, could that break my Windows because it's missing a version? No, these are complete new versions. They don't update your system files to have these new features. It's clearly kind of a reinstall of Windows every time one of these big updates arrive. So you don't need the October 2018 update to get into the April 2019 update. So we're keeping an eye, and of course there's a pretty big chance that this week I'll have my review of the April 2019 update, and we'll be looking at all the new features. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.